Okay class, so in this video I will explain to you about the properties of the Laplace transform. Okay, properties of the Laplace transform. Okay, basically there are three properties. Okay, so I just write down first the properties here. So we have we call it as a linearity. Okay, linearity property, and then we have a first shifting. Okay, first shifting property, and also the derivative. Okay, right, so we have three here: linearity, first shifting, and also derivative of the Laplace transform. Okay, right. Yeah, of course, we will use this table. Okay, but I will show you in example. Okay, so linearity, first shifting, and derivative. Okay, so linearity is clear, is a linearity. First shifting is something that what we call that related with exponential. Okay, exponential. Okay. So when you get a function that contains exponential, so we know that we will use property of first shifting. Okay, and for derivative, we will use when we have a function that contains t power of n. Okay, t power something lah, t power of n. Okay, so when we get a function that contains t power of n, so that's mean we need to use a derivative. Okay, clear? Alright, so means for this video, okay, I will explain on linearity. Okay, linearity. So the next another two topics I will explain in the next video. Okay, so we go to the example. Okay, Okay, yeah, we choose marker lah. Alright. Okay, example 1. Okay, evaluate the Laplace transform 3e8t minus 5 sin pi t. Okay, evaluate the Laplace transform 3e8t minus 5 sin pi t. Okay, for linearity actually, okay, linearity here means you will split. Kita akan pecahkan. Okay, we will split because if you can see here, we have two functions, the first one and second. Okay, and it's split between minus here. Maksudnya dia ada satu operation that occur here which is a minus. So for linearity, what we do, okay, what's mean by linearity here is we will split it become two. Okay, become two. So linearity will apply when we have two or more function that will consist of what we call addition or subtraction. Maksudnya plus or minus. Okay, so okay, from here we will make it become 2 lah. Okay, 3e8t. Okay, this one the first one minus 5 sin pi t, the second one. Okay, can you see? From here, we already make it become this one. We split. Okay, first function here, second function here. So we already split. Okay, that's the linearity, concept of linearity here. So the second thing about linearity here is, okay, you can see that they have in front here, they have a constant 3. Same goes to this one. They have constant 5. Okay, numbers 5 here and number 3 in front of here. So the second linearity concept here is we want to make it, or we want to move all the constant, okay, to the outside of L. Okay, macam kita buat integration lah. Macam kalau ada constant, kita keluarkan daripada integrand. So same concept. So we will bring these three outside from the Laplace. So we just remain inside the bracket is E8t. Okay, so this is what we call the concept of linearity apply. Okay, so this is what we call, or what's the linearity punya concept lah. Okay, so we take out 3. So inside here we left with only 3e power of 8t. And then minus, so you do it the same thing. We have 5 here, so take out 5. Okay, and then we have sin pi t. Then what we do next? Okay, now it's a time for you to refer to your table. Okay, for the first one is a exponential here, right? Exponential, so this is exponential. So it said that EAT is equal to this. Okay, so you just substitute. So 1 over s minus a. So what is your a here? This is your a. Okay, EAT, right? So EAT. So 8 here is represent your a. So your a here is 8. So now, okay, that's the second function, sin pi t. So sin pi t is here, sin 80. So means that your a here is pi. Okay, so it's become pi over s square plus pi square. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Easy, right? Okay, it's straightforward. It's just straightforward. So just you just refer to the table and then you get the answer from the table. So this is your FT, this is your FS. So means that here is the answer. Okay, right? Okay, I'll give you another one example. Apa ya example dia? Okay, let's say like you have because I think linearity is easy lah. Linearity is simple. Okay, so let's say you have a function, the Laplace transform, 5 cos 2t plus t square. Okay, 5 cos 2t plus t square. So first thing first, you just split it, become 2 function, okay, plus Laplace transform of t square. Alright, then take out 5 here, okay, bring 5 outside, L here, so we just left with cos 2t inside. And then by referring table, you will know cos 80 here, cos 2t is lies here, so it will become 5 s over s squared plus 4. Okay, I just write 4 lah because it's 2 power 2, right? So 2 power 2 is equal to 4. And then plus, okay, t square, this is t square, t power of n, so n is 2, so become 2 factorial over s2 plus 1. So you can simplify. So 2 factorial is equal to what? Okay, how to calculate 2 factorial? So you just press 2 and then factorial. So this is a factorial, okay? This one is a factorial, but must be shift first lah. Shift x power of negative 1 here. So 2 factorial is 2, so 2 over s cube. Okay, easy, right? Simple kan? Okay, so this is about linearity. Okay, so we are done for linearity. For the next video, in the next video I will explain on how to use first shifting. Alright, okay.